welcome you to Computer Crash Zero here today with a mini episode on downloading and installing Notepad++. Now we are going to be using Notepad++ for our next tutorial, which is why I wanted to go ahead and walk you through the semantics of installing this software. So first thing we're going to do is jump right into the internet and go download Notepad++. So I'm using Google Chrome, so we're just going to type in Notepad++, hit enter. It's the first link, notepad-++.org. We're going to go to Downloads tab, and we're simply going to click Download. Once it finishes downloading our executable, we can then start the installation. Your computer may prompt you for a UAC permission. Go ahead and click Accept. The installation is fairly simple, so we're going to select our language, in this case English, and we're just going to walk through everything. Next, next. No one reads the terms and service conditions. We're going to go ahead and keep our install location the same, and I just like to check everything to make sure I'm utilizing Notepad++ to the best of its ability. We're going to go ahead and click Next. Now, I do not want to create a desktop shortcut, so I'm leaving that unchecked. And I really don't know what any of these others mean, so I'm not going to mess with them. And we'll click Install. And it's installed. So we're going to go ahead and click Finish. It's going to open up for us. Now, first thing that I want to do is actually change the preferences of this just to kind of make it a little more personal. And we can do that by going Settings, Preferences. That's actually not what we're looking for. We're going to go Settings, Style Config. So this is going to allow us to change the foreground and background of our application. So just go ahead and pick one that you like. See, I think we're going to be doing Blackboard today. And we're going to open up a new file, go Language, Batch, just so we can see how everything works. And we're going to type at echo off, echo hello world, and then conclude it with our pause. So now the reason I'm doing this is so I can see how my text looks on screen, making sure that the colors are nice, that I can distinguish one word from another, and go from there. So it looks good to me. I think I'm going to keep this one. And now I'm just going to close my application, not going to save it, don't need it, because this whole tutorial was about installing Notepad++. Now I will leave a link to Notepad++ website in the description. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. Make sure you hit that like button. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Now I will be releasing another tutorial later on this week for our next project, so make sure you come back and check that out. This is Computer Crash Zero, signing out.